We're getting a lot of flooding. It's up probably maybe 8 feet, maybe. And there's another bank under the water here you can walk down to. Oh wow, I was going to show you, there was a huge old rusted piece of equipment that got washed down. I don't know if it's underwater or it got moved, but it was tied up in the tree. I don't see it now. It washed down from somewhere. I expect to get another 3 to 5 inches, so it's come up over the bank that way. So it's risen 3 times last year. Yeah, almost. It's probably got to be 40 foot up from here. That's interesting. And it's washing away the bank, and trees are coming down everywhere. And I'll come back, we'll see how far I can zoom in. So it's formed a little mini stream back there. But that's a huge deep gully, and it's filled that in. So the water, I'll do some before and afters, has come up and been about 3 foot deep right here where I'm standing. But it's just eroding out all the trees. They're getting washed out and eroded. Huge swaths of the bank are going away. If we get that more 3 to 5, so here's another tree going down. Just we've had so many floods in the past 6 months. See all the damage. It's all the way down the river. And the amount of trees and debris coming down every time, you can hear the big oak trees and everything just going into the water. Look at this guy coming down. See the bank way over there. I mean, some places 40 foot at a time just collapse in. All these trees. So this guy's falling on him. This one's sort of been trying to hang on, but he's got him on him. Just a matter of time. Come back by and show you what the normal level looks like after this. Just everywhere you look. Trees down. Look at the water hitting over against that bank, and just, I mean, that's probably 20 foot gone from that side. Stabilize all this. I've been trying to make sure all the vines that were here were cut, that were killing the trees, but I thought about planting some kind of running bamboo, but I can't do that until I have a way to keep it from spreading. Trees, I mean, this used to be ground over here where these big oaks were, but that's how much is gone. Just a short time. Look at that guy just went down. Fresh mud on the roots. Another big one down. And this is normally this little river, they call it a river, but you could normally ride your four-wheeler up it. There's only a few areas that might be too deep, but you could normally ride up it.